food lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Earlier today on this cold Christmas day, I was craving some delicious hot cocoa. Unfortunately, to my surprise, my favorite hot cocoa box was empty. Everyone knows how it feels when you want something to eat, but you can't have it or don't know how to make it. Maybe it was pizza, pretzels, cookies, or even hot cocoa. The easy solution would be to go out and buy some, but why not make some homemade? Luckily for you, I know a hot cocoa recipe that will knock your socks off. So next time you're craving hot cocoa, try this recipe. This hot cocoa recipe has been in my family for generations, and it is always my go-to during the winter months. My mom taught me how to make this a few years back, and now I'm going to teach you all. So today I'll be sharing what ingredients you will need, how to mix the ingredients together, and how to properly make this delicious hot cocoa. So the ingredients you will need are Hershey's Cocoa, pure vanilla extract, salt, peppermint sticks, whipped cream, sugar, a mug and a spoon, and a medium saucepan and a ladle. Okay, so now you'll be taking half a cup of sugar and putting it into your medium saucepan. Then you're going to be taking 1/4 cup of the Hershey's Cocoa and also putting it into the saucepan. Then you're going to want to take a dash of salt and put it into the saucepan. And then lastly, you're going to want to take 1/3 of hot water and put that into the saucepan. Now you're going to mix this all together. This is what the mixture should look like once it is completely mixed together. Now you're going to want to turn on the stove to medium heat and wait for this to start boiling. Once your mixture is boiling like this, you're going to want to start stirring for 2 minutes. So once you're done stirring for 2 minutes, you're going to want to take 4 cups of milk and put it in here. After each time I pour a cup of milk in, I like to stir to incorporate everything. So that was 1. 2. 3. And 4. So now you're just going to want to stir to incorporate everything. And then once everything is evenly mixed, you're going to want this to sit on heat for a little bit so it can get warm, but do not let it boil. This is what it should look like right now. So once your mixture is steaming, which means it's hot, you can turn off the stove now, and you're going to take your pure vanilla extract and you're just going to add a teaspoon in. Now you can mix it together and your hot cocoa is done. And now on to making your cup of hot cocoa. So the first thing I do is I take a peppermint stick and I just set it into the cup. Now I take my ladle and I just get a little bit of hot cocoa. You can fill it up as much as you want. I'm going to do 2 scoops. So now that that's in there, I just like to take a little bit of whipped cream to top it off. And then your cup of hot cocoa. this is your final product. And now for the first sip. This is so much better than store-bought. Now that you know how to make amazing homemade hot cocoa, try making some for yourself at home. I hope you enjoy. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, my food lovers.